Hi Danny, I want to thank you for sending in the material for us to test for you. We're going to use a small clicker die. This is what the type of die that Jim's suggesting you have made. We're going to use it on your 700 press here. We'll slide it in here. And as you can see, cuts out real nice sharp edged pattern for you. And as a repetitive process, you can continue to cut out as fast as you can load it and unload it. You can get everything done. Quickly and easily. We'll give you a call to discuss, see if maybe you might want to be thinking about changing your press. Thanks, Danny.